Hey, this is Dr. Stan Harris, known as Dr. Breakthrough. I want you to be on the Breakthrough Money School call tonight. That's 7 o'clock. It's going to start in a little while, 7 o'clock Central, 8 Eastern. Now, if you don't know how money works, you can only work for it. But once you learn how to work money, you can put money to work for you, because money is a terrible master, but a great servant. So we're going to show you how to turn your slow-moving turtle money into jackrabbit money in the Breakthrough Money School. We're going to show you, my friend, also powerful principles. How you can go from being the working poor to the non-working rich. So dial this number at 7 o'clock Central, 8 Eastern. That's 605-475-4700. 605-475-4700. PIN number 602974#. PIN number 602974#. The website, www.breakthroughmoneyschool.com. It's time to put money to work for you.